product is water tea dispenser. As you can see, they have a 2 compartment, and including these 2 kettle, one is the glass one and one is the stainless steel. 2 compartment, it's showing here inside of this you needed to put like a coffee, tea, or anything like what you needed to put inside. And for the second one, you need to put the water here to operate the properly how to operate this tea dispenser. First of all, you need to turn on this one. You need to double click it. This is stainless steel. You can see like a same of the kettle for the heating of your coffee. How to put the water inside of the kettle? You need to double click this. Press 1 to stop. This glass kettle, it looks like I have a mini stove. And you will have the 3 options of this one. To use this glass kettle, you need to open easily, just like that. And just put it back again. And just put some water. You need to press long this one. Double click. And 1 click for the stop. This one, you can get some cold water and some heat water. Just press 1 only to the operate and just click 1 again for stop. And you can use for the heat one also, just press 1 stop. And include this remote. You can easily to use in home, even in the offices.